हमारो धन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा हमारो धन राधा राधा, राधा 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 परम धन राधा 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 जीवन धन राधा 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 हमारो धन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा वृंदावन में राधे राधे कुंजगलीम, राधे राधे बरसाने, राधे राधे श्याम कुंड में राधे राधा कुंड में राधे राधे, जतिपुरा में राधे राधे, निधिवंजी में राधे वृंदावन का कण कण बोल श्री राधा राधा, श्याम सुंदर की बंसी बोल श्री राधा राधा, 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 श्री राधा राधा। रसिक जनों की वाणी बोले श्री राधा राधा, श्री राधा राधा, श्री राधा राधा, राधा राधा राधा। In Vrindavan, everybody is chanting the names of Radharani. So once even Akbar goes and tells one of the Goswamis, "Oh, hey, I'm going to change this Vrindavan into a beautiful one." So the Goswami tells him, "You cannot see the real Vrindavan with these eyes. I'll just give you a second to see what is real Vrindavan. It's only the pure eyes that can see Vrindavan." Then he wonders, what is it? Suddenly he gets a glimpse of Vrindavan, whereas there are chintamani everywhere, pearls, diamonds everywhere. Even the steps are filled with pure stones, and that is Vrindavan, so rich, so divine, because Vrindavan is not different from Shyam Sundar. It is the self-manifestation of the Lord, and that's how even every devotee, Yam Brahma Varuna Indra Rudra Marutaha Sunvanti Devesthavaihi Vedai Sangha Pada Kramopanishadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyana Avastita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yogino Yasyantam Navidu Sura Suragana Devaya Tasmai Namaha. Vrindavan is like a place wherein the Prime Minister of country, there is a difference when he is ruling the office and when he is at home. When he is at home, he is playing with his wife, his children, everybody. But in the office, he has a different role. Just like that, Krishna's home is Vrindavan. He plays with his devotees. His craving for the services of the devotees, wherein all the Gopikas, all the Gopikas are waiting to serve the Lord. Only serve, nothing else. So in separation, Radharani and the Gopis keep just crying for Lord Krishna. It is, they just totally are surrendered, like they say, Manmana Bhavamat Bhakto Madhyaji, there in their minds Krishna is there. They worship Krishna, they feed Krishna, they think of Krishna, they eat Krishna, they do everything and nothing without the Lord's. Everything that is more important for them, that is Krishna's satisfaction, Krishna's happiness, nothing self. And that is real devotional service. And that is the place wherein each word is a song and each step is a dance, and there is no misery there. Vrindavan, it is just total surrender of the souls to serve the Lord. Dasa, 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 anudasa. That is the position of each Gopikas. संत नवा महिमा कहीं नहीं जाई, महिमा कहीं नहीं जाई। राधा नाम परम सुखदाई। रात रात राधा जन्म बिता, ब्रज संतन को शीश नवा। महिमा कहीं नहीं जाई, महिमा कहीं नहीं जाई। राधा नाम परम सुखदाई। राधे 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 राधे। वृंदावन का कण कण बोले, everybody डाल डाल पर तोता बोले, even the twigs are singing Radha Radha Radha. सीढ़ियाँ बोले Radha 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 Radha. So Shishanamam, the Brijvasis, we have to respect them because it's not easy to get birth in Vrindavan. So the Gopikas are just blaming Brahma for giving them the eyelids. Why did you give them? And that much time is gone. We are not able to see Krishna. And that is their feelings. Not a second of separation from the Lord. As it is, Paramatma dwells in our hearts from time immemorial, whether we do bad activities, good activities. But he is just an observer, and the fruit giver he knows, and he stands in Bhagavatam. As it is told, this body is compared to a tree, and there are two birds in that. One is just fructifying the karma, whatever it has done, bad and good, and as Paramatma is another bird watching the karmas of the other bird. So we cannot blame God for anything. It is what we sow, what we reap, we sow, and that is it. And Krishna is ultimately Name Dveshosthina Priya. He is a friend to everybody. He has no enemies. He is the most Karunamai Krishna, and he has amazing qualities. He's equal. He's if you cry once, he'll take you 10 steps further. It is our own anarthas and our own karma which is holding us back. When we, with this tongue wherein Saraswati dwells, pray to her, pray incessantly, give me the chance to chant the holy names. Nama Sankirtanam Yasya Sarva Papa Pranashana. Sarva Papa Pranashana, Nama Sankirtanam Yasya. So how do we see Krishna in Kali Yuga? Nama Sankirtanam Yasya. When you chant his names, Krishna, Govinda, Mukunda, Murari, Madhusudana, innumerable names. Vishnu, Narayana, Gajendra. This one is, there are so many thousands and thousands of names of Vishnu, wherein we can pray and then just get go to a place wherein there is no misery. Vaikunta means no misery. Goloka means only service to the Lord, loving service to the Lord. Each bird, everybody, each flower, each leaf is wanting to serve the Lord there and nothing else. That is Vrindavan. That's the mood of Vrindavan. That is why Kunti tells in her prayers that Bhavato darshanam syat na punar bhavadarsanam Pipadastantu tashashvata tatra tatra jagatpate Bhavato darshanam syat na punar bhavadarshanam. There is no punar darshana when we think about you. And when do I think about you? When there is vipat, when there are calamities. So I pray to Krishna that always give me more and more calamities so that I keep remembering you. And then when I remember you, your darshana is there, and that darshan gives me complete liberation, complete mukti from all the material activities and then temporary nature of this world, which every soul is craving for but doesn't know where to get. The real Ananda. Ananda is another name of the Lord. There is no limit. Unlimited. Atma Rama. Self-satisfied. So we have to connect ourselves and then get back to the nature Sat Chit Ananda, with that which is eternal, blissful and full of knowledge. Can never come back to this darkness. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.